I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your Genshin Impact's game folder from one location to another. So it's pretty simple, so watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. And yeah, let's start the video. So the first thing is you want to go to where your Genshin Impact's logo is on your desktop. Once you're over here, you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on where it says open file location. Once you open your file location, you want to click on where it says Genshin Impact at the top. Then you want to go one step back from over here again. So this is your main game folder, as you guys can see. Once you find your main game folder, because inside this folder, all my Genshin Impact file are going to be here. So go to your main game folder. Then what you want to do is cut it and then go to the new place where you want to save it. So I want to save it over here. Right now my Genshin Impact is saved over here. So I want to save it on another place named. So this is my new folder for Genshin Impact. I'm going to go inside here and paste the game folder. So my game has, changed its place. It used to be over here. Now it's over here. Now once you, paste your Genshin Impact to a new place, you want to open this. Once you open this, you want to scroll down. This config.ini file is. You want to open this config.ini file. Once this file opens, what you want to do is don't cross this file right now. Once this file opens, you want to go to your Genshin Impact and find another Genshin Impact folder inside your Genshin Impact game. Now remember, right, so this is Genshin Impact's main game folder inside which all the, necessary folder is here. I open it. Now I need to go inside another Genshin Impact game folder over here. So once I'm over here, now what I can do is I can click on the top over here and then this thing will appear. It's like a link to where this game is saved. So I want to cut this. And I'm gonna go on where my text is and I wanna paste it over here where it says game_installation path. I wanna cut the old one and paste the new one. And after pasting it, I need to change this backslash. So change all these backslash to /. Just like this, one last left. And after you're done, you wanna save this folder. You wanna go on file and click on save. After you save it, you can cross this, you can cross this, and now you can open. After that, you open Genshin Impact and it should open just like this. So that's basically how you change your Genshin Impact's game directory from one place to another.